action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, thumbs up, comment down below. That's all you guys need to do. We're maybe gonna give something away in this video, and that's what you need to do. My Instagram's right here too if you want to go follow me. Let's get on blacklisted, you know what I mean? If you say anything mean down below too, man, I'll find you and I'll break your neck. I'm just kidding. I saw somebody on Instagram live, they were being serious the other day saying that to like haters, and I chuckled a little bit. Back in action, let's go. Alright, long story short, we got a package from a company, from Icegiant. Their links are down below, maybe. You guys know, first off, whenever I get hit up for videos, which is not a lie, probably 6-7 times a day via email, I always say no. My videos tell you so. But when people start to be like, yo, we got jewelry we want you to check out, but it's MOISSANITE, you know, my wheels start to spin a little bit, and I say, send that over now. I already actually know what's in here, but I didn't look at the pictures of what they're sending. They just kind of like verbally said what they're sending. So I'm excited for it, bro. We're gonna test it. One thing that we are gonna look for today is no BS. We're looking for quality, boys. Just because this has been sent to me to review doesn't mean I'm not gonna rip you to shreds, you know? Break your neck. No, but I will be honest, we're gonna test it too, because the price point on this is around 150 bucks for everything we're about to unbox, which seems, from what they said, it seems like a little too good to be true, but we'll see. Icegiant, links are down below. Let's go. I think that's it. That was a pretty fast intro, but alright, so getting into it. It is already open. My girl didn't, we're waiting for stuff to come for the basement reno still, so she didn't know that. I already kind of know what's in the box, so it's alright, although we haven't seen it. So this is still a fair judgment trial. MOISSANITE cards here, boys. GRA MOISSANITE. I don't want to give away what we're looking at, but they look like this, and it gives you all the specs, all the details, but I don't even know if they want me to say that part. I'm not going to waste my time. Honestly, this is probably going in the garbage after, to be honest, because I might just even give away some of the things we have in here, because one thing I really want to keep. Anyway, box engaged. Boys, Icegiant. Now, hit me up, right? And I was thinking, man, like, we definitely unboxed stuff from them before. I doubt it was MOISSANITE. I'm actually almost 100. You can't cut things with a fucking vape, man. Where the hell is my knife? Right there. Kitchen knife. My girl's been looking for this, actually. That's not good. Alright. Yeah, so definitely unbox things from them. We're looking at packaging once again, around 150, I think it was $189 American for this whole pack, but that's not fun in the title, you know what I mean? Oh, we got a bag. This is good for a thumbnail. Alright, so there is supposed to be 4 things in here. Now I'm freaking out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay. Oh, shoot. Be positive. Be positive. Maybe they try to save paper for the environment and shit like that, right? Alright, Icegiant, boys. Really nice box so far. I don't know how much you guys care about it without peeking. Oh, this is nice. Is this one of the... Oh, I don't want to break it. I think this might be one of the... Oh, no, it's one of these! Oh! Okay. Alright. Big review time, Bran. Snap into it. Icegiant jewelry. MOISSANITE with the dust bag. We don't care. I got too many of those. Yes, okay. These are the things I really wanted to keep. Okay, so we'll start with these first, bro. The first things that are actually MOISSANITE, we're going to test this all at the end, are earrings here. And they all come in individual bags. So one earring here, one earring here. Oh! One's got a blue tint! Dude, I've been wanting to switch it up. These aren't MOISSANITE right now, and I'm scared of one of those assholes coming in a mall with a damn diamond tester being like, Bran, let me test it, bro. This is where we get them, boys. So this is kind of one with a blue tint. It actually looks a little... No, it's perfect on camera. Very sick. Pull out MOISSANITE, apparently. I actually really like these. I'm gonna put these on by the end of the video. I might even just put them on now, actually. Then the other one here is just a regular, kind of what I'm wearing, a little bit smaller MOISSANITE diamond. I'm gonna come back to you guys. I want to put these damn blue earrings on. Maybe I don't. I don't know. It seems like a lot of work. I'll just do it real quick. Alright, so we got one in right here. This is the one we just got. It took me 10 minutes, bro. Not because the jewelry sucks or anything. I'm just an idiot. So I had to really fumble around with that. Let's get into the chains that I've tried but not to peek at, but it's a little hard because they're rolled up. Let's go! And hopefully... Oh, shoot. Okay, so this isn't a bad thing. Usually this packaging here, you guys know, causes me a little bit of a trip. It's like a damn snake skin. I think this one's gonna come off regular though, and hopefully it does, because I've watched a lot of sponsorships complaining about this, and I think this is the one where I'm not going to. Alright boys, yeah, literally just took 20 seconds to get out. That wasn't bad at all. So what we're looking at right here is this makes a little bit more sense with the price now. The whole thing isn't diamond out. It's just right here with the MOISSANITE. These clasps are really nice though. It's one of the ones that you just click in. super cool. And on this side too, a little bit more moissanite there. Now I just read up, this part, like the clasp, is sterling silver or some sort of silver. The rest is stainless steel with white golding. So that's a bracelet right there. I totally picked the wrong size. They asked for my sizing. I guess I'll give it to my girl. So I can't try this on, boys. There's no way. Oh, it actually will fit me. Oh, I just have baby wrists. Oh, fuck. Oh, there's no way that fit me. It looks sick though. Okay, so we're gonna test that too. Earring, first off, quality's real nice. It's not hurting in my ear. This feels really good. I'm pissed off that fit me, bro. I got the wrist of a freaking the walrus. I don't know. I was trying to. I should have said goldfish's wrist or something. Bad. I was trying to do a cool analogy. Anyway, there we go. Very sick. I'm assuming. Yeah, the chain is kind of the same. We're gonna unbox this thing. So I mean, it. It is what it is with it. 150 bucks, do I think you'll get your money? Because you guys know, I'm very honest with it. Quality is nice. Yeah, you could shop more sketchy websites and maybe get more moissanite, but when I look at the setting and all this, like, you do not just pay for the moissanite diamonds or the pricing that they're saying. It's actually like how it's set, how it looks, what it's surrounded by. This clasp I'm really digging. So I mean, 150 bucks maybe you got for Christmas or something like that. That's not a big deal in my mind. If you wear earrings, a chain, and a damn whatever this is called, a walrus bracelet, that's kind of sick to me. All right, let's open this up. I'll show that. Then we're gonna diamond test, because maybe it doesn't pass and I've been lied to. And here's a chain, boys. Same thing you saw with the wrist. It's comfy. Actually, I'm just seeing right now at the back, it says Icegiant. 925 silver, 0.7 carat, sick. And then you got a little bit more on this clasp right here. 2 pieces right now. Let's test to see if they're real. And the weight's really good actually too. I actually don't see them tarnishing to see them, but I guess I'll just have to see about that. All right, diamond tester engaged. All right, boys, we're heated up. Now, just you should know how this works. These are real right here. So it's supposed to go all the way to red if it's real, right? No, just kidding. All the way to red. I don't know. Do I need to show it to you guys? I feel like this is just a waste of time, and I'm too shaky. I've had too many damn coffees. There we go. So it's supposed to do that. That's what we're testing for this moissanite. Wow, that's gonna be hard. It's a little small. Let's start with the earring first, bro. I've had my fingertips all over it, so I might have to clean up a little bit the diamond part. I also don't know if I'm hitting it. Apparently I am. Let's go, moissanite diamond. This is the other one, doesn't matter. This is my old one, it's not moissanite, you guys probably believe me. Alright, let's go with this. Frick, what, no, we won't even test the other diamonds. I'm sure they're good on the earrings. That's the bracelet? Yes! Where's the chain? I already almost lost it. Okay, here we go. Can't believe I got that on the first try though. Moissanite to the damn top, bro. I'm going to the mall in this later. I'm going to tell everyone to screw off. Icegiant, thank you guys so much. Or anyone to screw off, because I'm that guy. Icegiant, thank you guys so much. Links down below. I keep grabbing this chain. I was going to put this one on, but I was too lazy to take this one off. And you guys just see it how it is. Thank you for sponsoring this part of the video. And thank you for trusting me, because if you guys know my reviews of companies, I burn bridges a lot because I say the honest truth. And yeah, it's nice, man. It's definitely nice. Little moissanite for what you're getting on the chain and on this. Really nice with the earring. All around great quality though. So it's and for 150 bucks, bro. I mean, these companies are charging a lot too. So I like it. I like it a lot, man. And I probably am going to start wearing this. Appreciate you guys. Bye. That's my final thoughts. That's like what Jerry Springer says, but we probably shouldn't say that nowadays. It's 2022, man.